everyone, come on in. This is the recipe for the Lucky Money rice. Everything you need is on the screen. It will be in the caption as well. 8 bay leaves are specifically needed for this specific rice. 8 in numerology is the number that goes to a powerhouse source. It represents abundance, authority, and balance. So speaking authority over your rice recipe will do wonderful works. Now I also can teach you how to make the money drawing powder and the blockbuster powder. That is a separate video, but this is specifically for the rice right now. So any type of coffee beans that you want to use, ground or whole bean, is perfectly fine. It will take a while to stir, so be prepared to stir it up as long as you need to and put your intention into it. That is the fun part about this. You're putting all your positive thoughts into this rice, and make sure you stir really well if you want that green color effect in your rice. It takes me about 10 minutes to do it all, and I hold it in my hands and I mix it up. Now if you really want to add something really sweet to it, add a little sugar to it and add a little vanilla to it. It smells like a Christmas cookie when you are done. This will draw in and teach you how to have a relationship with money. You can do a money spell easily, but when you have a money bowl, it teaches you abundance and it teaches you how to have a relationship with money. Now the glitter is a fun effect. You can add it if you'd like, you do not have to, but I love green because it represents the color money. So stir up for a while. You're gonna have to stir and stir and stir and stir. It's going to take some time to stir that, but you're going to stir in your intentions to this rice recipe, okay? Just keep stirring and stirring. You're going to get tired of stirring, but the best part about it is you get to put your intentions in it, your good thoughts, your high vibrational thoughts into this. And you can set this by a doorway. You can set this anywhere in your home. I like to have a few in my home.